Today we're presenting the Elmo 614 XL. Incredible little gem with foldable handle, as you can see. Very well working light meter. Very nice clean lens, as you can see. Perfectly working frame rate. Perfectly working automatic zoom as well. The camera is in incredible functional condition, as you'll see in a second. So let's test it out. In order to put the batteries in, you need to open this lid, and please always follow the instructions down here, otherwise the camera is not going to be working. So two of them go like that, and the other two in the opposite way. Once that's done, press and spin that so it closes properly, and once that's done, voila, on, off, once again on. As you can see, very well working automatic zoom as well in both directions. Very nice little camera. It has a macro function as well. The manual zoom works as well. Focus. Everything on the camera is in perfect condition. Light meter is very correct as well. So we always test the cameras with expired cartridges. Expired cartridges are much harder to spin than regular new ones. As you can see, this one barely moves. So if the motor manages to spin an expired cartridge like that, it will surely spin a brand new one as well. As you can see, we mark the cartridge, insert it in gently, close the lid. As you can hear, very well working. Shoot for several seconds, and let's see what the result is. There is a small lever here that you need to pull, comes out, and as you can see, no mark there anymore and perfectly straight film. No mark there anymore means that the motor manages to spin even this very hard spinning expired cartridge, and the straight film means that the motor and the film gate work simultaneously together, which is extremely important for your footage. Very nice, very simple camera, yet with a great lens. In order to fold the handle, you just press the gray button and it folds. Very compact, very nice camera. So whoever gets it will be super lucky with it. Thank you for your time, and let's keep Super 8 alive.